Wow. Ready? Clean the what? Aquarium. It had like really bad algae growing on it earlier. I forgot to take a video. But you can see SpongeBob still has a little bit of green stuff on it.
It's not gonna be bad.
Good daddy.
It's just a lot of it's dead.
Yeah. I'm almost done. We're gonna go pick up Sophia now. Yeah.
Here, I'll go pee and wash my hands.
So every time Nick cleans the aquarium, we have to move the fish out of there. So this is the fish. So far, we only have 2 fish. One down here and one upstairs. Hello there, fishy. Hello, fishy, fishy. Sammy, come on. We're going to go pick up Ate. Today, Sophia has her assessment. So she's only in school for an hour. So we dropped her off like 8 o'clock and now we're going to pick her up. It's now 9:30 in the morning. So, yeah. I'm gonna go pick her up because she's got her exam, and then today we have another chiropractor appointment at 2 p.m. So as soon as we get back,
we're going to go to the play area.
Yeah. Well, we have to bring Tita Peli with us, I think, because if you wanna go to the play area, Tita Peli gotta stay with you guys, so mommy and daddy can go.
No, I don't want to.
So that's our dilemma today. We have to. Yeah, I think we have to bring Tita Peli so she can watch the kids. Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo 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 choo. Ow! Ow! Let's show Sophia's painting. So this is Sophia's painting. I mean, it was just like that already and she just painted it. I don't think it's done yet. She just got sidetracked. But yeah, Samantha's gonna have she's gonna have one too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you show your sunglasses? Wow! Who's the cutie bunch? Mimi. Alright. See you later, fishy. See ya. Say bye-bye to the fishy.
I said bye-bye already.
Oh, okay. Well, gonna wait for you. You, come on, get in. That is joking, huh? Yeah, it's joking, Daddy.
I'm not joking.
Well, come on, get in there. Get into your car seat. Daddy is a joker, you know that.
Yeah, Daddy's a joker.
He's a jokester. Is that a jokester?
Yeah, Daddy.
Hang on.
Hello, guys. We are guys.
Hello, guys. We are guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to the channel. Okay. Alright. I know she was born a blogger.
Tablet.
Oh, that's true. She has her phone.
Call us.
She needs to use it more often.
You call us even. Since I've been always letting her borrow some stuff.
Yeah, we got
She gave me
Sophia.
a little present.
Really? What's the
Oh,
present?
it's a mirror.
She gave me back my pink little cat. I miss Fluffy. I miss Fluffy.
I didn't even know she's got toys that are missing.
Yeah, well, because she kept asking, like, where's my toy? Where's the toy? And we kept asking her to give her stuff.
Where's your toy? My toy. What's the hairbrush?
Did you do good in your exam?
What's the hairbrush for it?
She didn't study. She didn't want to study last night. So
I did good.
you did good?
I'm not sure if you see the results. You'll see because I'm not sure. I think I just guessed it out.
Oh my gosh.
You'll see the math. I like math.
Huh?
Okay.
You'll see the math. I know math.
Yeah. There was even a map?
Math.
Math. So you think you did good? Okay.
Everything is sorted out and settles down.
Our makeshift bathtub for Samantha.
For every day.
It's one of those storage bins.
I just He wants for my dog, Bobby, to wash his hair.
Okay, we're home. I'll show you guys what we got from Ace Hardware. We got the Panasonic electric water heater because this house doesn't have electric water heater. So the shower. So we got two for the bathrooms upstairs. And then we got a mop. This one. Mr. Clean Super Spray Mop 2-in-1, wet or dry. Forgot, I don't know how much these are. I'm gonna find the receipt later and then. Oh, here, 1,399 pesos. As far as this one goes, I don't know how much they are. And then we got a new dust can. This one is made of metal. The dustpan we have is not very good. So this one is a little bit more expensive, 309. Adi, kuan na hiya tita lata na. Kan usa na diri hiya. Diri mo okay. Oo. Then I got some organizers for the under the cabinets. I got 3 of this. Oh, this one is an extra mop sponge, a refill, 249.75. And then they suggested that we should get this flexi hose for the water heater, 149 each. So we got 4 of it. I don't know why we needed 4, but. And then I got this one to put my cleaning supplies. This was 169 pesos. And more cleaning. Dusting cloth. This one, 269 pesos each. And this one is also for the water heater. This one is universal angle bulb. I think we bought 2 of this. It's like $2.99 each. This one is a free super mop. Oh no, there's another one. So I don't know. Okay. And we got some, oh, good thing Nick found one. It's extension, 299 pesos. And of course, we needed some of this. Tapes, 14 pesos each. A few items from Ace Hardware. Let's see, this is for the organizers, the 3 organizers, 149 pesos. This one for scrubbing, like just cleaning and, you know, every bathroom, like pretty much everything. 199. This is one scouring pad. And then I also got microfiber for wiping the appliances. And what else did I get? Got eraser daddy. This one is for just cleaning bathrooms, and yeah, 239. So I'm gonna put them upstairs, use them. And also we needed a hose because I've been doing the okay, so we bought garden hose, and we also got this spray for the what, that's expensive, 2,299. This one, so we got that. And then also some of this, 449 for that, 449 and 219. All attachments for the faucet here. What else do we get? Right here. Alright, so I also got this tray. This is for the bathroom, the kids' bathroom. And more of the attachments, I think, for the shower. And then this caddy is 169 pesos. What else? Toilet brush, 149.75. There's the hose right there. It's like 4,599 for the hose. Right. First time using the shop vac.
Take any paper filters and stuff out of it first. I think we can. I don't know if we keep this in or not.
Yeah, you keep the filter in. That paper is just for dust, not for water. Right?
Right.
Yeah.
So you don't keep this one in there.
Yeah, you have to take it out. But the filter, you have to keep it in there, and then you just, when it's, after you use it, you just wash it and hang it dry before you put it back in.
Makes sense.
So what's included?
Well, step one. I can figure out what that is.
Attach one of the attachments. You have to attach in the back. What's this one? Yeah, just one of this, right? Let's go.
Put this back on then.
Yeah, these are what is included.
It's good. You can put things 2 different ways. Oh, that's the thing that they were showing in the first picture.
Oh, okay.
You ready?
Ready.
Set.
Let's see how it goes.
See how loud it is.
Ooh,